How does leverage work in the foreign exchange market? Before I begin to explain what leverage is to you, I'm going to make you understand that leverage is a two-way sword. It could be to your favor and as well as against you. Now, when it comes to leverage, in simple terms, leverage is simply there to increase our buying power. Right? It means that a trader with a higher leverage has potential to open higher, bigger positions and potential of making bigger wins and also a potential of making bigger losses. That's why it's a two-way sword, right? Whereas a trader with a small leverage will not have that potential of making bigger amounts and will also have less potential of blowing their trading account. I'll just go straight into explanation. Let's take, for example, we have two traders and they have $100 in their account each, right? We have trader A and we have trader B. They both have $100 in their trading account. $100 in their trading account, right? And they have different leverage. Trader A has a leverage of 1:100. This is how a leverage is being defined, right? 1:100. It could be 1:10. It could be 1:20. It could be 1:3,000, right? Why? The broker I use can give you up to 1:3,000 and even 1:unlimited. If you want to create a trading account with a broker that's going to give you up to 1:3,000, give you the freedom to make any amount of money you can make in the foreign exchange market, simply click the link down below and create your trading account with my recommended broker. Verify your account and join our trading community. Now back to our board. Trader A, trader B, we have $100. But what's the difference? We have different leverage. Trader A has a smaller leverage than trader B. Now just to explain the leverage. The leverage right here, 1:2. It simply means that with what you have in your account, which is 1, you can make 100 times what you have in your account, right? Now right here, 1:3,000, which means that what you have in your account, which is your $100, you can make 3,000 times what you have in your trading account. Now, you might be asking this question, how is that possible? Somebody with a 1:100 leverage, I'll just take for example so you understand better. Somebody with a 1:100 leverage might open a lot size. What is the lot size? The lot size is simply used to determine the size of your trade. We are going to go into details in the next video, right? Now, lot size is simply used to determine the size of your trade. Now, if a trader using $100 opens a lot size of 1, right, maximum. Now, if you open lot size 1, he will not be able to open another position. With lot size 1 pip movement is $10. With a lot size 1 pip movement on the chart, that means if the chart goes to your favor, 1 pip or 2 pip, 1 pip is $10, so 2 pip will be $20, right? And this trader A will not be able to open another position with maybe lot size 1 again, or maybe use a bigger lot size. Why trader B? Because they have 1:3,000 leverage. They can open positions of even with lot size 5. Let's just take the example, right? They can open positions with maybe even lot size 10. Right now, at this point, let's take for example lot size 5. With lot size 5, 1 pip movement is going to be $50. At this point, what is the limitation? Trader A cannot open lot size 5 because trader A has a smaller leverage. Why trader B can open up to lot size 5? Because they have a bigger leverage. Right now, let's come to the benefits or the disadvantages. If the market move to their favor, the both trader A and trader B, if the market moves to their favor 10 pips, trader A with a lot size 1, right, where 1 pip movement is $10, trader A is going to make $10 times 10, right? For a 10 pip movement, that's going to be $100. Why trader B? Because he had the advantage of using high leverage, opened a position with lot size 5 where 1 pip movement is $50. With a 10 pip movement, trader B is going to make $500. What was the barrier? Why did trader A not make $500 too? Because maybe trader A was using a smaller leverage and could not open more positions. You open positions, they tell you don't have enough money, right? But trader B on the same hand, with the same $100, was able to open a bigger position. Why? Leverage had increased trader B's buying power. Now let's come, like I said earlier, it's a two-way sword. Let's just take for example, trader A and trader B had a losses because this is in a situation where they have a win. Let's take for example, the 10 pips was against them. A 10 pip movement on trader A here, right, will probably blow the $10 account, yes, because a 10 pip movement against you, your $100 is going to blow, right? But let's just take for example a situation where the market moved against them 5 pips minus, right, minus 5 pips. Trader A lose minus 5 pips. Trader A is going to be left with $50. Why would trader A be left with $50? 5 pip movement against with a lot size 1 pip movement is $10. So trader A is going to lose just $50 and $50 to be left for trader A to trade with, right? Now for trader B that opened a position with lot size 5. With a position of lot size 5 where 1 pip movement is $50. How many pips would trader B need to blow their account? Just 2 pips. 2 pips movement against trader B, the account is blown, right? Because with the 5 pip movement, 1 pip is $50 against you, right? So if the market goes against them 2 pips, they blow their $100 easy. Why trader A will still be in the market after that minus 2 pip? Trader A will still have $80 left, but trader B must have blown their account. That's why a leverage is a two-way sword. Now you might be asking yourself this question: when do we use leverage, or should we use leverage or not? The question is, leverage can be used to our advantage if you know how to approach the market. For example, when we trade fundamentals, we are utilizing leverage to our advantage, right? But on a normal trading using proper risk management, you don't utilize leverage because it could easily blow your account. If you're interested in knowing how we utilize leverage during news events, I explained that in my $100 course. Simply click the link down below. Purchase the $100 course where we are going to teach you from the basic of trading to you're able to trade on your own. After you complete the course, I promise you're going to understand how to use leverage to your advantage and when to use leverage. Peace out.